Fix Roblox Bad Quality on Android plus Blurry Clothes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you at today's without any delay. Let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and search for Roblox application. Make sure that you have the updated version of the Roblox application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Roblox application, leading us to tap on app info. So it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then all you have to do is tap on clear cache. So tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options by going to each options over here and giving the access. After that, just relaunch the Roblox application and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.